What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard.
Well, hello everyone. I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, what we're going to be reviewing and trying today is the Stuffed Puffs Big Bites filled marshmallows and with cinnamon toast crunch. Cereal coated marshmallows filled with cinnamon flavored cream and crumbles. So I've had a lot of the different marshmallows, but I've never actually had these with the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is kind of doing a lot of things here lately. So, yeah, these are pretty cool. Really cool. I figured I'd give these a try. And I know they're going to probably be good if they're partnered up with Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I know these are going to be really good. So let's open these up and check them out. I like these bags, these kind of bags that they got. You got these, well, I don't know. Yeah, they got the zip on them. So one piece is 80 calories, and there's 8 servings in this pack. So, smell good. Here's what they look like. And it's a big, pretty good sized marshmallow. Probably pretty much a standard size marshmallow that you would get. So, they're really unique. Really unique. With the marshmallow and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I like anything cinnamon. Anything that's got cinnamon in it, I like anything. So, I'll tell you what. They got kind of like a... Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. They got kind of like a... kind of like a crunchy, like a crumbles, like when you first bite into them, because of the outside. But these are really good. And I like marshmallows too. You can't go wrong with marshmallows. I tell you what, I like these. I really like these Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Big Bites and filled marshmallows. I'll tell you, these are really good. I definitely get them again, but eat them very sparingly. So definitely eat them sparingly. But yeah, the epic taste of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and a filled marshmallow. So yeah, these are really good. I found these at Walmart. So actually, they're awesome. I found them on an end cap at one of my local Walmarts. They're all different. So it was on an end cap. So it was pretty neat on finding these. Because I always like going to Walmart and looking for the different new stuff. And I know there's a lot of different stuff for Christmas and stuff like that. But I had to definitely get these and try these. These are awesome, guys. If you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and you like marshmallows, these are awesome, in my opinion, in my opinion. Don't always go by what I say, but because everybody's different. Everybody likes different stuff. But I like them. I think they're really good. So, hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review. So everybody have a good one. And thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you guys' support. You guys are all awesome.
What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob. Let's go, Disco